Hey, welcome to Florida Proof, Hurricane Mode. It's that season again. We do this every year. This time around, we got Dorian off the coast, kind of aiming at us, maybe hitting us, maybe not. Either way, we're going to go ahead and get prepared just in case. And besides, this is not the only hurricane of the season. There's a chance there may be more behind it. So right now, the state is offering free sandbags. And I just wanted to take a moment to show you a tip or two on loading sandbags if you got to do it yourself. Right now, they do have inmates out at a couple facilities. So by all means, take advantage of that. They're free sandbags. You show up, they put them in your car. You drop them off in the backyard wherever you need them. Hopefully the season passes and you don't need them. And just store them in the backyard for later. You can always open them up, dump them. But go ahead and get them while you can. It's better to have them and not need them than it is to need them and not have. So when I got to this site, somebody had already had a cone cut up and used there. So I went ahead and just used that. Roll it up a little bit, get it sit inside. Just need a little bit of structure for the first or second scoop. Once you get that first or second scoop into the bag, grab the cone and the bag or whatever you're using, lift it up, dirt falls down, set it right back down, and repeat. Some locations may already have a wooden structure or some kind of structure set up with the traffic cones dropped in from the top upside down with the bases still attached. That's the easiest way. For the most part, you still have to lift that cone up to let the dirt fall down and get out of the way. Once it's mostly filled up, you do want it pretty full, probably a little fuller than I did this one, maybe another half a scoop. Take that string and tie it off real good and tight. The string is usually just pushed through two holes in the top of the bag and looped over on itself. If it's not looped over on itself, just be careful when you pull on it. It might just come all the way out. No big deal. Also want to keep an eye out when you're shoveling. I'm not too sure where they get this dirt from. A lot of it seems like from construction sites or recycled maybe. It's not necessarily the cleanest dirt. You may find wires or metal pieces or plastic pieces, some rocks and stuff in there. When you're scooping the sand out, go ahead and pick that stuff out. You don't want that puncturing a hole in your bag from the inside out. It's the last thing you need is to be unloading the stuff from the back of your car or trying to walk it around the side of your house, and the bag splits open, slinging dirt everywhere. Like I said, this site did not have the cones already set up. It looks like someone took this cone and chopped it up. The top half of it was sitting right in front of me. The guy comes over here in a moment, see there it is, and tries to use that, but the very tip of the cone is way too small. So I let him borrow my knife here, and he cut the tip of the cone off to open it up. I could hear him after just a few minutes saying how much easier it was, and it does. It keeps your fingers, your friends' fingers, whoever's helping you, their fingers away from the bag. Grazing them gently with the shovel is still very uncomfortable and not something you want to do. So this will help prevent all that, keeps the hands and fingers away from the bags.